The 1970-71 West Indies tour was the last chance for Dilip Sardesai. He was lucky to be picked. It had looked as if his career was dead and buried. He went on to be Indian cricket's renaissance man in the watershed year of 1971. A technically correct player, the solid, wristy Sardesai was proficient against spin, but in West Indies he showed his mettle against pace and pulled India repeatedly out of quicksand. He scored 642 runs, with 2 single hundreds and a double, and provided an inspirational launching pad for a legend Sunil Gavaskar in his first series. In England later in 1971, Sardesai's pivotal double of 54 and 40 allowed Chandrasekhar to hasten England's defeat at the Oval. Sardesai was limpet-like and usually defensive, but he could attack when he needed to, and scored one of India's fastest hundreds against New Zealand at Delhi in 1964-65. In the previous test, his 200 not out at Bombay salvaged a draw after India had been skittled for 88 in the innings. Sardesai enjoyed playing against England. He made his test debut against them in 1961-62, even before he'd played for Bombay, and it was against England, at Kanpur 2 years later, that he scored 79 and, after India followed on, 87 to help save the game. Dilip Sardesai debuted in Test cricket against England at Kanpur on 1 December 1961. His last Test match was also against England at Delhi on 20 December 1972. Dilip Sardesai played 30 Test matches, 55 innings, and scored 2001 runs with a good batting average of 39.23. His highest score of 212 against West Indies at Kingston in 1971 didn't help much as the test ended in a dull draw. He hits 5 centuries and 9 half-centuries in his entire test career. He took 4 catches as a fielder. Dilip Sardesai had a terrific first-class record. He played 179 matches, 271 innings, and scored 10,230 runs with a very good batting average of 41.75. His highest score in first-class cricket is 222. He has 25 centuries in his kitty. He also took 8 wickets in first-class cricket with a bowling average of 69.00.